everyone, we got a red truck, and I think I know what this is. The truck is red. Is that an RJ Corman? Oh, everyone, I just caught an RJ Corman truck. Why is that RJ Corman truck? RJ Corman is coming? I don't know if you guys can see, but that definitely says RJ Corman. So why is that a railway coming over here? Oh my goodness. Are we going to start getting RJ Corman trains? I really like that. It's red, my favorite color. Red and gray. I like RJ Corman locomotives. Red and gray. That's what the train is. So we're going to start getting RJ Corman out here, then that might be a good thing. Because I'm tired of BNSF GVOs all the time. Because it's GVOs. At least I finally want to catch something like NS again. But that's so cool. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was RJ Corman. And their locomotives is red. Oh, and they're about to start switching. Wow, today was a perfect day to catch the Norfolk Southern. Today was a perfect day to catch Norfolk Southern. You guys know that because today everything is perfect. No. If I would have caught NS today, it would have came out perfectly. I don't know why, but today is perfect. Was perfect. But of course it came yesterday. And we had to kind of see it yesterday. Of course it's going to come on the wrong time. But why is there RJ Corman truck? Those locomotives are so cool to catch. Red and gray. I mean, not that I saw it on my own yet. I never saw it yet. RJ Corman. And I only see it like in other places. Like, I don't know. Maybe like Texas. I don't know. So we might start getting RJ Corman trains. So we first up, we got a BNSF -9. Okay, now the ET-44. Okay, now 3977. I mean, 76. Okay, we caught the -9. 48, 45. 5484 and 3967. I mean 76. Sorry. Okay. Alright, everyone. I guess that's it, everyone. So that's it for this one. Goodbye, everyone. Like and subscribe. Wait. Is that what I think it is? Is that the high rail truck? Wait. Is it on the track?
No, it's a street.
Oh. That is definitely not a high rail. Okay, so I'll see you guys. See you guys tomorrow.